Right, graphing form means that we need our vertex, which is our h and k. And just to make sure we're remembering all the parts that we might need, that would be the format without any of the numbers in it. So to find the h, it's negative b over 2a. We do need to make sure we're in proper order. So a, b, and c going down from squared term, non-squared term, and then our constant. So negative b is negative 4 over 2 times 2. Negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. So that is our vertex. And then, not our vertex, our h value of our vertex. Now we have to plug negative 1 back into here. And we just need to make sure we solve that correctly. So this is negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So this is just a plain old 2. That gives me my negative 4 and negative 3. That's negative 7, and a positive 2 is a negative 5. So that is your vertex. Negative 1, negative 5, somewhere around there. It is going up. That is a positive, so it's going like this. Which, for pure bonus reasons, we would have 2 real roots. Graphing form, your a value is your a value, which is kind of nice. Our h is what we just found. So a negative 1 is a positive 1. And then just whatever that is, negative 5. So that is our equation in graphing form. Let's look at number 27, finding the roots. Finding the roots means that we need to set it equal to 0. And in this case here, I see that 3 goes into all of them, which should make this nicer. So this is going to be a little bit easier to factor. I use my diamond. I have 7 and negative 8, so negative 7 and negative 1 multiply to get a positive 7, and they combine to get a negative 8. So, excuse me, I'm going to put it in the box. These two numbers are, instead of your negative 8, we have it kind of split up that way. This will be what? A 7. That is a negative 1. This is a 7x. And this is also a negative 1. So we just need to check negative, positive, so that seems to work. So factored is 7x minus 1 and x minus 1. So to solve for that, I set this equal to 0, which gives me 1. And I set this equal to 0, which gives me 1/7. So, is that dandy? Looks like this one is our answer.